What is up guys, another site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zoho Mail to n8n. First, you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to create a new workflow. After that, you need to click on add first step and then search for Zoho Mail. For that, here you will see the Zoho Zepto Mail. Click on this and then choose an action. I'll choose send mail, and after clicking on that, you need to click on send credential or select credential, and then you need to click on create new credential. After that, you will require client ID and client secret. So in the new tab, you need to open the Office Integrator, which is the Zoho API generator. There you need to select your industry, your app type, and your organization name, and then you need to click on generate API key to generate your API key. And after that, your API key will be generated. So you just need to click on this API key, head back to n8n, and then paste it here. But if you don't have the option to only paste the API key and you require the client ID and the client secret, so you just need to head over to the OAuth link of the Zoho account. So you need to type zoho.com/mail/help/api/using OAuth2.html, and after that, here you will see the renew access token. So just click on that, and then you can just read the guide, sign in, and create your new organization. And then you can just get the client ID and the client secret. So just copy it from there and then paste it here in the n8n. Click on save to save the connection, and then you will be able to connect your Zoho Mail with your n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.